Hi, I'm Andrew Slay. I'm the president and CEO of Lancaster Lebanon Habitat for Humanity. The city of Lebanon in particular, there's a enormous disparity between the homes that are safe, warm, dry, and affordable and the ones that are safe, warm, dry, and affordable in all truthfulness. And that's why it's so important for people to be able to volunteer and serve, whether it's through Habitat, through other nonprofits, other causes, contribute financially to help better human outcomes. And obviously, and probably the most important thing is that you have to learn and then you have to use your voice. Because, and honestly, if you just start learning and asking what are the ways to help improve human beings' lives, your neighbors' lives, other people that don't have the same advantages of you, going to college, getting classes, being educated, family support and so forth, good job. Once you start learning and you have the knowledge, it's impossible to be settled on the status quo. And once you have that knowledge, it's impossible to let everyone else stay settled.
I think I kind of grew in sort of different ways. Like the first time I volunteered there, I was kind of unsure about, who would be there or what we would be doing, but after the first time I really enjoyed it, and I got the chance to meet new people through LVC and people who volunteered there who I probably wouldn't have interacted with otherwise. It just kind of pushes you out of your comfort zone, but in a very good way, and it really makes you think about, there are people out there who don't have safe places to live, or they don't have anywhere to live. So it's really important that that's set in perspective, I think.
Hi, my name is Daisha Lee. I currently work at the Lebanon County Housing Authority. And there we work with various programs, but mainly focused on public housing and Section 8. I was in 8th grade in middle school, and I know around that time my mom had been renting with Section 8, and she was looking forward to purchasing a house. And she got connected with Habitat from looking around, trying to find a way to purchase her first home, and from there we've been with Habitat.
This is a wonderful opportunity for our students to really work on a project that they can see go to conclusion. So sometimes when you're working in a large organization, you contribute, but you don't see your work go from start to finish. But when you're working on a home, you can come in when it's bare bones and you do that work there, all the way up to the finishing stages where, in fact, the keys are handed over to the new occupant. And so that's all manageable within a time a student is here, so they can get a real sense of accomplishment from it. So that's why I think the housing side of thing and Habitat is such a great partner.
We've been tremendously blessed with LVC students coming on out to our job site, especially at the Cumberland Street build. And we've actually racked up, thank you very much for the 1,200 sweat equity hours that have helped push the ball along to getting completion for Ronnie's home and the others. So thank you, LVC.
I do not let my past define me in the sense of because of my past I can only do this.
Can't wait to move in. Check you upstairs.
Yeah. I came from here, but I will make it over there. I came from a household that did not have a lot of economic resources, but that does not mean I am not able to give or provide generational wealth. I come from a place that maybe not a lot of people can dream because of the poverty cycle.
Oh, I got 2 of these? Nobody his and hers.
But I dream large. I always say dream larger than life. And in this, I mean dream larger than what life has given you today, that you can imagine for tomorrow, that you can see yourself and your future generations where you want to see them.
What do you think?
What do you mean what I think? What do you mean? I'm just wearing this, but my smile is like, wow.
It's not, my family was poor, so this is all that is out there for us. No, life is full of so many beautiful experiences and just moments waiting for you to decide that you are defined by more than whatever you went through in your past or whatever is happening right now.
Dude, this is crazy. It's like,
You haven't been in it
me, living in Prune Street and going through everything I went through, you know, and now doing this, you know, it's crazy.
You're at the stage. And we'll bless this home.
I want to thank you all for being here. It's been a few years, but I want to thank the volunteers, John, Habitat, and yeah, it's been a long time, and it's finally, I'm getting my place. I'm done paying rent. I'll pay rent for myself. Thank you all for being here.